Hey everybody, Richard Nyes, quick pocket dump here. Open C wallet with the Teeners. Also got the refined bolt action copper. You've seen this in my last video. Fancy. Also, this is going to be the Meritech flashlight. Look at the colors. It's got the schnozberries, all the stuff. And my knife. I'm a slit. This is the 35 cattle knife. Y'all seen this for about 2 weeks now. Check out the Teeners. Bam! 997 subscribers right now. We're gonna do a cool giveaway at 1,000. 3 y'all get down there and say pow pow. Work keys, too many. That's fine. We'll see you next time.